Hey there, Riley from McNaught. Let's take a look at our 2017 GMC Acadia SLE-1 all-wheel drive. Now this is a great family SUV here. You've got access in the third row for 2 more passengers. This is a redesigned model too, from fresh out of 2017. You've got the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine under the hood. This engine is designed for fuel economy, guys. It's paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission, so that's going to be amazing on the highway. And especially with that all-wheel drive system, you're going to be confident in the winter months. Now this unit has just over 18,000 kilometers on it, so great tread left on those tires. 17-inch alloy wheels. And on the front end here, you do have the LED running lights. Really stunning in person. Now we're going to walk around the other side here, take a good look at all 4 corners of this SLE Acadia. Now you do have the backup camera on the back. And when you open up the tailgate, you're going to be greeted with plenty of cargo space in the back end here. Now you've got some hidden storage down below. You could drop these seats down nice and flat though if you need some extra space. And once again, 2 passengers in the third row, 3 passengers in the second row. So this thing seats up to 7 passengers in total. And there's plenty of room for all your bags. Now we're gonna walk around the other side real quick here. You've got the proximity locks on the door handles, meaning you could lock and unlock the vehicle from the push of a button. You've also got access to remote start here, which is also a great feature in the wintertime. Now, taking a look at the inside of your GMC Acadia, you've got the black cloth interior, the manual adjusting seats, of course, nice leather wrapped steering wheel with your parking brake and brightness controls here just to the left. Now on the door panel itself, you've got this nice wood grain trim, power adjustable mirrors, and 1 touch-down windows. As we take a look inside the GMC Acadia here, you've got the nice touchscreen radio that does include Sirius XM for free for the first 3 months. You've got access to your rear climate controls and Bluetooth phone pairing, of course. And you've also got Apple CarPlay on the system, so really great in terms of infotainment in this vehicle. On the steering wheel here, you've got your cruise controls, your hands-free call buttons, and your 5-point command center, which is going to allow you to configure that digital screen that you have on the front dash. Now taking a look down here, you've got your dual zone climate controls. You've got some USB ports located down in the back, as well as a DC charge outlet. And this button here is going to be for your traction control. Now putting the vehicle into reverse is going to activate your backup camera with trajectory lines. You've also got a manual shifting mode on here. Nice wood grain trim throughout the center console, as well as your drivetrain selection mode. So you've got the 2-wheel drive, you've got 4-wheel drive, and then you've also got your sport mode and your off-road mode there. So plenty of different options for no matter where you're driving. Now in terms of back seat space in the GMC Acadia, you've got plenty of room in this second row here for 3 more passengers. And you could get these seats folded down nice and flat in order to access the third row where you could fit 2 more people. You've got your own set of climate controls, which is pretty nice back here, as well as your USB charge outlet. That's a high-speed charging outlet there, so you could charge up your phone or your iPad without a problem. And overall, this is our 2017 Acadia SLE-1 all-wheel drive. You've got the nice 2.5 liter under the hood, plenty of room for the whole family and all of your cargo. So if you're interested in this unit, feel free to contact us at McNaught, and our sales professionals would be glad to help you out.